Hey, how's everybody doing on this Sunday? So we're just gonna have a forecast session for this coming week's markets. So we're just gonna look at a couple of markets, just one indice, a couple of forex pairs, and then we're also gonna be looking at a commodity. So we're gonna be looking at a Nas100, EURUSD, GBPUSD, and the commodity is gold that we're going to be looking at. So let's just see amongst the news that's going to be released within the coming week. So we can see that Monday, there really isn't that much of results that's being released. So we're just going to see Monday opening up and just collecting some orders probably for the day. So as we get into Tuesday, we have some German results. It really does not have that much effect. Then we're going to have the PPI, which will have effect on a Tuesday. So we're going to see our NAS starting to move on a Tuesday. And then that's it for that. And then Wednesday, we have basically the core PPI for the GBP being released and the CPI as well. So we're going to see some movement within British pairs. So we have the GBP USD as well that we're looking at. So Wednesday, we'll start to see the markets gain a little bit of fire. We have the core retail sales right here for the USA. So the USA will still be moving on Monday, have the core retail, but the core retail really does not have that much effect. But on the Canadian side, we have our core CPI. We might look at USD CAD. Just we'll see how the week goes for USD CAD. And then that closes off our Thursday, basically having nothing much. Thursday, it's starting off to be a hot week with the euro dropping the CPI. So we're going to see the euro pair. We have the euro USD as well on our watch list. So going to see a lot of movement on Friday. USA, we have the initial jobless claims, which has a lot of volatility. We're going to see a lot of USA paid up stocks also move. So the Nas100 is going to move. Then we're going to see gold move a lot. Euro USD, GBP USD. We're going to see all of these pairs on our watch list move on this Thursday. And then the Philippines, which doesn't really have much. The Philadelphia Fed manufacturing really doesn't have much effect. So, and then that closes it off. And then Friday, nothing happens, and then that closes off our Friday. So we're looking to have a very smooth trading week. So let's just dive into the market. So currently we have this paired gold that we're looking at. So right now on gold, we're seeing gold approach a discount and a premium order blocks, two of these order blocks, and we're gonna start seeing a formation form amongst there. So if we take it out a bit, we can see that it's a discount and premium based on these two prices, and we can see a bit of insufficiency between these two. This will range about 20% of the price difference between the two. So we will start to see a formation form there. We'll see how the markets open up. As we see, there's a lot of momentum coming in from the previous week. So we'll start to see that momentum just wearing off a bit, changing character here. We're going to start seeing plays between the discount and the premium, and then we'll catch the trade coming down as signals will be sent on the group chat as well, and the limits will be sent as well. So that's our gold pair. So let's look at Nas100. So Nas100, we're also seeing a similar action. This is the 1 hour chart as well. So we're seeing that Nas100 has gone above the discount and is basically floating towards where we have the premium. So from this point, we're looking to have our sell here by the premium. As you see from this movement here, there's compounded liquidity on the bottom, and this liquidity which is pumped in is also compounded with this bottom one. and we're starting to see the momentum slowing down from the coming week. So we will start to see the markets open up, and they will just rush to this order block here, which is known as our premium. And we can see there's a lot of confluence between there. So premium and the discount should be about a percentage of 20% between these two prices. And then we have this big insufficiency gap. The market needs a lot of momentum in order to fill this gap. So we are not worried about this gap being filled right now. We're just waiting for a formation and get a reaction by the premium, and then we will sell our gold. No, sorry about that. We'll sell our US 100 as well. Same as the gold. So let's go into our GBP USD. So on GBP USD, let's just go on a bit of a higher time frame, just for us to see it properly. So this is the 4-hour chart. And if we zoom in, we can see that there's a lot of confluence going up. Let me just clear the chart. As you see that there's a lot of confluence going up, a lot of liquidity has been built going on the upside. And then we're basically here at these two order blocks before a huge insufficiency gap above. And we're seeing as the discount and the premium. Also note that this is the 4-hour chart as the discount and the premium. So we're seeing the price being inflated above the discount. So we're looking for about a maximum of 20-25 inflation between the discount to the premium. And then we'll start to see a reaction of the market coming down as well. So if we just go in on a smaller time frame, you will see that the price has rested basically by that order block. So we're looking for the Monday markets just to take it up a bit, get a reaction around this level. So then we'll start executing live. We'll send the current market price signals on the group when the reaction happens, as well on the VVIP group. So let's go into EURUSD. So EURUSD is basically at a nice reaction point where we might even catch it at current market price when they open up in the morning. So if we go a bit higher on a 4-hour time frame, we have a mitigation on a very big order block. As you can see, this gap has been filled here. And after this gap has been filled, there needs to be a reaction or a retracement to the movement in order to collect a bit of the funds used to fill in the gap. So from this point here, we're looking for the market to react as soon as the market opens up in the morning. And then we have our stop loss risking about 1.3% in order to gain about 4.8 of the first trade, as we still seeing a formation being made. And then we execute the second and final trade here, collecting all of the liquidity coming down to that point there. So this is a very interesting point of area. So we'll be looking into it as soon as the markets open, and more signals will be sent further on the VVIP group as well. So we've gone through those 4 markets and all of the news results that will happen. So we are likely to see a reaction on these markets around about Tuesday, going throughout to Thursday. So that's a good 2 days worth of trading. Wake up in the morning on a Monday and just analyze the markets and see how everything's going to go. And then starting from Tuesday, we'll be executing more trades and then closing most of them Friday morning, hopefully closing most of them by Thursday, just to wrap off a good week. So until then, I hope everybody stays safe and may the trading gods be with you.